All right, new at 6, a week and a half after a block of row homes in Curtis Bay went up in flames, the more than 24 people forced out of their homes are slowly trying to pick up the pieces.
Absolutely. Most families who lived in the 10 homes lost everything. I spoke with one today, as well as a local church who is committed to rebuilding the devastation. Dramatic cell phone video shows flames shooting from the houses along Hazel Street.
And I heard my neighbors start screaming that the house is on fire, the house is on fire.
Michelle Long runs a cat rescue and scrambled to save her animals while watching the fire rip towards her home.
Nothing. Absolutely. Everything is either charred or burned. Some of it is ashes. Our whole lives, everything we owned was in the houses.
A reality more than 24 people are now living. Their homes gone, family photos destroyed, and feeling hopeless.
Because when you lose everything, especially when you're renting and you don't have a lot of income, your first instinct is, well, what do I do? Where do I go? And so we're here to kind of connect the dots and fill in the gaps.
Restoration Church has been helping the fire victims since day one, handing out food and water while crews battled the flames, and now is committed to getting everyone back on their feet and the block rebuilt. Patini started this GoFundMe page with a goal of 30 grand to make sure the area can bounce back from this tragedy.
We want to rebuild and put people back in their homes.
Help and support Michelle and her family call a blessing. She wants to be back in her own space and hasn't lost hope that some of her rescued felines escaped the fire.
Very upset. We're devastated that we can't find our animals. The house and everything in it, it's all objects, but we all spent every day with these animals. They were our whole lives.
And Michelle says about 22 cats and kittens are missing, as well as the pets of a few other neighbors.
Now, she tells us that her family had renter's insurance, but not everyone impacted by this blaze did. If you want to help, we put a link to the GoFundMe page on our website. That's abc2news.com.